Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how to assign a specific salesperson to customer ship to addresses. This is one of the videos that I've been wanting to show you for a while, so let's get into it. First, you're going to go onto your customers list. Then you're going to choose one of those specific customers. And in the customer card here, you are going to click on customer up here, click on ship to addresses, and this is where you will be able to see all of the shipping addresses for that specific customer. Now, if you have other addresses to add, you can go ahead and click on new here to add the address, or if you have only one address, this one shall do. So here, as you can see, Business Central has really made it easy for you to assign a specific salesperson with the salesperson code here. Now, if you don't have the salesperson code that appears here, it's very easy. You can go ahead and click on the settings up here, click on personalize to be able to add this specific field. You can check out my other video on how to personalize Business Central. The link will be in the description below. So right now, as you can see, the salesperson who's assigned to this specific client is Christopher. So let's just say you want to change it and put Dave, for instance. So here you go, you've added the salesperson who is going to be responsible for the customer ship to addresses. Now, when we go back to the customer card, let's go to look at the ongoing sales orders, open one of the specific sales orders, and you will be able to see if you scroll here. So the salesperson code is still Christopher, as you can see. And if you scroll down, there's also Megan, who's a contact person, so that's a customer. So you want to change the salesperson here. So what you are going to do in order to achieve that, go onto the shipping and billing here, click on the ship to and choose alternate shipping address, and it's going to give you the list of addresses or the list of address that you have for that specific client. Click on the one that you want, and you will be able to see it has now added the new address for the customer. And if you go up, you will see that the salesperson who's now assigned to this client for the shipping is Dave, the one that we've chosen. So there you have it. It's quick, it's very easy, and it's very efficient for you to assign a specific salesperson to a customer shipped to addresses. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've liked it, please share it, liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.